Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to import this plans into SketchUp and make a model. I'm just going to teach you how to import it, how to make a model, and rest of the chain videos we will continue in the series. So let's go. Just you, once your plans are in place and you only need the things that are supposed to be in the model, get it in a new brand new file and then open SketchUp. I use architecture inches as my template, and you just have to open it. Okay, you'll have to wait for a minute. Just for your information, my laptop is around 2 years old and it is HP Intel i7 16 GB RAM. So it took around 30 so 40 seconds to open, but it is still good. Okay, so from now head to this file or right over here, then you will find this option as import, right? Import. So after import, SketchUp will show that the available files that you can actually import. Any CAD file you can import, like this staircase file is there, you just import and you'll get all the whole CAD file over here, right over here. It is that simple. Just import. Okay. Thank you. Share it with someone who may need it.